Whether you have a full-size treadmill or a small walking pad, both require regular lubrication to keep the belt and motor running smoothly. In this video, we're going to show you how to lubricate your walking pad or treadmill. Always use a 100% silicone-based treadmill lubricant and follow the maintenance schedule and amount of application specific to your model of treadmill. We recommend getting a lubricant kit with an extended applicator nozzle for easy applications. It's best to give the bottle a quick squeeze to get a feel of how much pressure you need for application. Let's get started. First, ensure your machine is off and unplugged. Make sure to check that the applicator nozzle is securely tightened to avoid any messes. Next, insert the applicator nozzle underneath the belt. Try to get as close to the center as possible. Slowly apply the lubricant as you pull back from the center. Next, repeat on the other side. Again, try to get as close to the center as possible and slowly pull back as you apply the lubricant. Once the application is complete, turn your treadmill on and run the belt on low speed for about a minute. After a minute or so, turn the speed up and let it run a couple more minutes to help distribute the lubricant. After running the belt for a few minutes, you're all set to begin your next workout. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.